Ever feel like you're missing out on the crypto revolution? You're not alone. The rise of digital currencies has exploded in popularity, but with so many platforms out there, it can be overwhelming to choose where to start. Two big names constantly pop up, Wealthsimple and Binance. But which is right for you? Buckle up, crypto newbies and veterans, because today we're diving deep to see if Wealthsimple reigns supreme or if Binance takes the crown. The contenders, a corner for every crypto cornerstone. First, let's get to know our contenders. Wealthsimple started as a stock trading app in Canada, but they've recently expanded into the crypto realm. Binance, on the other hand, is a global giant, offering a vast crypto ecosystem. Wealthsimple, beginner's paradise. Imagine a crypto playground designed with newbies in mind. That's Wealthsimple. Their interface is sleek and user-friendly, perfect for those taking their first wobbly steps into the crypto world. You can buy and sell major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum with just a few clicks, and their educational resources are top-notch, helping you understand the crypto lingo before you dive in. Binance, the crypto powerhouse. Binance throws open the doors to a crypto wonderland. It's massive, offering a staggering variety of cryptocurrencies, trading options, and features for experienced crypto enthusiasts. Margin trading, staking, futures contracts, if it exists in the cryptosphere, Binance probably has it. But this complexity comes at a cost. Binance interface can be intimidating for beginners, and their resources might feel like they're written in a whole new language. The fees, friend or foe? Transaction fees are the gremlins lurking in the shadows of every crypto purchase. Wealthsimple keeps things straightforward with a flat fee for buying and selling crypto. Binance has a more complex fee structure, with variable rates depending on the amount you trade and the payment method you choose. While Binance can be cheaper for high-volume traders, it's definitely not the most beginner-friendly fee system. Security, keeping your crypto castle safe. Here's where things get serious. Security is paramount when it comes to your hard-earned crypto. Wealthsimple is a regulated platform, which means they adhere to strict security protocols. They also hold your crypto for you, eliminating the risk of losing it due to a personal wallet mishap, though some might argue this reduces control. Binance, on the other hand, is a self-custodial platform. This means you're responsible for securing your own crypto through a private wallet. While this offers more control, it also means a higher risk of theft if you mess up. The verdict, it depends on your crypto compass. So, who wins the Wealthsimple versus Binance showdown? It depends on your crypto compass. Wealthsimple's your champ if you're a crypto newbie seeking a user-friendly platform. You value educational resources and a regulated environment. You plan to buy and hold major cryptocurrencies for the long term. Binance takes the crown if you're a seasoned crypto trader seeking advanced features and a wider range of coins. You're comfortable navigating a complex platform and managing your own crypto wallet. You prioritize low fees for high-volume trading. The final word. Ultimately, the best platform is the one that aligns with your comfort level and crypto goals. Do your research, consider your risk tolerance, and don't be afraid to start small. Remember, the crypto world is an ever-evolving landscape, so stay informed and adapt your strategy as you go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.